Hey, hello, good morning everybody. Welcome to the neoprene fabric channel from Anson. Are you looking for neoprene fabrics for wetsuits, for game mats, beach bags, wellness braces, medical braces? Which kind of neoprene fabric you are using mostly? Neoprene nylon fabric, neoprene polyester fabric, neoprene UBL fabric, or neoprene super stretchy fabric? As you can see, there are many different kind of neoprene rubbers in front of me. Generally, they are CR neoprene rubber, SBR neoprene rubber, or the mixture between the both is SCR neoprene rubber. SCR neoprene rubber is a kind of mixture that's different from SBR neoprene rubber and CR neoprene rubber. It is more stretchy and more durable than SBR neoprene rubber, well, much more cheaper than CR neoprene rubber. So more and more widely used for wetsuits or surfing shoes or wellness braces because the most cost effective. The sheet size for the raw material is 1.3 meters wide by 3.3 meters long. We'll have them split into thinner slices according to the request from our customers, and have them bonded with different kind of fabric on both sides. Should you have any great ideas about neoprene fabrics, we could exchange ideas. And this is Anson Neoprene Fabric Factory. Thanks and have a nice day.